Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the HP Pavilion 15.6 inch gaming laptop. You can see the big HP logo here. Outside this there is really very little information. We have some here though. Let me get you a closer look. There you can see this particular laptop runs on AMD Ryzen5-4600h processor. Also has a 512 GB SSD drive, has 8 GB of DDR4 RAM and 15.6 inch FHD IPS LED display that has a brightness of 250 nits. It also runs on Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650 Ti and has a refresh rate of 144 Hz. So now it's time to open the box and see what the laptop looks like. This is a 150 watt charger. Yeah, this is a setup instruction for this particular laptop. We'll leave this one over here. And now it's time to take a look at the laptop itself. So there you go. This is what the HP Pavilion gaming laptop looks like. You'll see the Pavilion Tech logo right over here. You can see the HP logo over here. Let's open this up. Nice. The bezel is actually quite thin, you'll notice that. There's some information on this particular laptop. It runs on AMD Ryzen5-4000 series as mentioned earlier, and it also has GeForce GTX graphics card, the GeForce GTX 1650 Ti specifically. The display also has 144 Hz of refresh rate, which is great. This is an obviously gaming inspired design. If you take a look at the speakers, you will see the hexagonal design is very reminiscent of old, gaming inspired laptop designs. And now we have, let's take a look at the sides. This is a USB-A port and this is the power port. What else do we have? A lot of ports on this side. This is your Ethernet port. This is your C-type, USB-A type, and an HDMI port over here. And this is a card reader, which is a great touch. Finally, this is your 3.5mm jack for your headphones and your earphones, or you can even attach speakers if you want to. This is what you find inside the box. Thank you for watching.